Have you ever tried to heat a tent with a stove that either warped, leaked air, or left you with cold nights? Well, here's what we built instead. I'm Dominique with White Duck Outdoors, and today I'm going to be walking you through our full stack stove system, which gives you a complete heating and cooking solution right out of the box. What you're looking at here today is the Anchor stove in a medium size. It also comes in a small, large, and an extra large. So let's talk about what it is and why we built it. We built this stove to be something that you can rely on, whether you're running a hot tent setup, spending long days at base camp, or living outside for extended periods of time. This isn't just a stove, it's a complete system that perfectly complements our tents and other gear, rounding out our collection to give you a fully integrated system. So if you've used tent stoves before, you probably know some of the common issues. Warping after a few burns, poor air control, short burn times, unstable legs, pipes that don't draft properly, and stoves that are bulky, awkward, and frustrating to pack up. We wanted to eliminate all of that. Our goal was simple: build a stove that burns efficiently, packs down cleanly, stays structurally sound, and gives you real control over heat. This full stack stove system includes the stove body, the leg poles, nesting pipes, rain cap with a spark arrestor, damper, grate, and the warming trays. What makes us different is that every component is designed to work together and pack down together. Our pack down design means that most of the components nest neatly inside for transport. Our stove is built with a Durasteel, which is 12 gauge, while most other stoves use a thinner sheet metal. The extra thickness prevents warping over time, even with repeated high heat burns. The door and the top surface are 9 gauge for added durability. The round cylindrical design helps to distribute the heat evenly, and underneath the cook surface, we added reinforcement braces to keep the top flat. This matters not just for durability, but also for cooking performance. Up top here, you'll see our cook zone, which is a flat surface designed not just to cook, but also to reheat. Inside, the included grate supports both coal and wood, improving airflow and allowing for hotter, cleaner burns. It efficiently heats 100 to 300 square feet of space, depending on your model size. So it's designed to heat anything from a small solo tent to a larger hot tent setup. The gasket grip door system has an adjustable air intake with a gasket to ensure an airtight firebox for controlled burning and longer burn times. The nesting pipes start at 5 inches and they go up to 6 inches, allowing for vertical installation. It also extends 1 to 2 feet above your tent, allowing for safe spark dispersion. Up top, the rain cap includes a spark arrestor for safe outdoor use. We also include 2 warming trays, one that's solid and one that's a grill style. They mount on either side. There's also an optional 3-gallon stainless steel water tank add-on that fits on either side of the stove to provide you with a reliable supply of hot water at camp. This stove is built for hunters, campers, glampers, overlanders, or anyone who's looking for a reliable source of heat and cooking all season long in canvas tents. If you want a stove that's designed as a complete system and built to last, that is exactly what we set out to build. The full stack stove system is built to heat efficiently, cook better, and last longer. If you want to learn more or see our different sizes and configurations, head to whiteduckoutdoors.com. We're proud of what we built and we're excited for you to get it out in the field.